Hey everybody, so we have another 18-foot utility trailer. This is a D&K 2 5/16 heavy duty coupler. Electrical, as you can see in the video, all the lights are working. Brakes and breakaway are working. Got a nice heavy duty front mount jack. Handle swings off and folds away over to there. Heavy duty wooden deck. Got nice spacing so the water can drain off and not rot your deck. I mean, other than some wear and tear spots, deck is solid, not rotting anywhere. Tires on the other side are 50% to 75%. The ones on this side are a little less, got some inside camber wear going on. This is a little older tire, but that other side, guys, has really good tires on it. As you can see, marker lights work, flashers, blinkers are working. The only thing I can see is not working are the 3 lights down here. Those are the only marker lights that are not working. Other than that, this trailer is more than suitable to pull home the way it is, guys. I know DOT rule says if the light's there, it has to work. But again, very minor, a little bit older trailer, but it is heavy duty. Got the expanded metal on the beaver tail, the D&K heavy, solid welded fenders, 81.5 inches between the fenders. Nice older trailer, guys. Ready to go to work.